Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miato V. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today I'm in Bethlehem visiting the Milk Grotto and the Shepherd Field. The videos will be uploaded in two parts. The Milk Grotto is behind the Nativity Church and next door to Blessings Gift Shop and the Olive Wood Factory in Bethlehem. The Holy Family found refuge during the massacre of the innocents before they could flee to Egypt. A drop of milk of the Virgin Mary fell on a rock in the cave, changing its color to pure white. On this rock, a church is built today called the Milk Grotto, where many Christians and Muslims believe that scrapings from the stones in the grotto boost the quantity of the mother's milk and enhance fertility. Wow! Mothers that are looking to enhance their fertility, praying at the Milk Grotto is something you want to look forward to. I included additional information about this place below in the description. Because these places are strongly connected to my Christian faith, the first thing I do when I enter is to pray before making any videos. Enjoy as I take you through the Milk Grotto, showing you some of the prayer areas and physical features of the building. If you are watching my videos and wanting to send me your prayer request, please email it to the address in the description box. I will be glad to say a prayer on your behalf. Also, don't forget to let me know a historical place in Israel or Bethlehem you would like to see a video of. Enjoy as I take you through. Thank you for watching.